that
I
I'm
got
enjoying.
into the office of Filmy Beat,
Yes.
and the first thing Adi goes is,
Ungli pakad ke angutha bada ke. I'm really doing that. Didn't tell anything about the dance sequence that you did for the song, of course, O Papadwala, because it is very unique and very, you know, very childish. Ki ha ha ha.
We had done dance rehearsals there, and then on set we had done a lot of rehearsals, and बहुत कुछ नया सीखा थे. You know, there's a nagra, and you know, there's a
Yeah.
beat, and then the music starts, and filming a song for the first time. So a lot of new experiences. I think usually तो ये होता है ना कि आपके शो का एक्सपीरियंस या शूट का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था. But I think that's right also. I mean, you want to know about the experience, so it's okay.
So how was your experience with Oops अब क्या?
रात 8 बजे का कॉल टाइम था, तो रात को 9-10 बजे के आसपास आया था. एंड यूजुअली सेंड अ थम्स अप, तो मैंने थम्स अप की जगह किस इमोजी भेज दिया था. एंड देन फॉर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज द एडी वाज वेरी स्माइली एंड स्वीट विथ मी, एंड आई एम लाइक, मैंने ऐसा तो कुछ बोला नहीं, मैंने तो कुछ किया नहीं. व्हाई इज ही फीलिंग लेड ऑन? ओह वाओ, आई थिंक love can be anything. Love is loving your career, your friends, your family. Love is anything that makes you breathe easy.
पार्टी वाली तो आप नहीं है. You don't do party.
नहीं, मैं हूँ, ऐसी दिखती हूँ.
सती सावित्री.
नहीं, सती सावित्री.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है आप पार्टी में गई हैं और गिर गई हैं?
कभी मैं पार्टी में गई हूँ और गिर गई हूँ?
बहुत होता होगा ना, हील्स वील्स की वजह से. में भी
नहीं, गिरी तो नहीं हूँ,
बची हूँ.
और हाँ, बची जरूर हूँ.
कब किया आपने आखिरी बार खुलकर डांस?
कब क्या मैंने आखिरी बार खुल के डांस? कल परसों. मैं डांस तो बहुत करती हूँ, लाइक फ्रेंड्स
घर
के
पे
साथ, घर पे, हाँ, अकेले. डांस मैं बहुत करती हूँ. नमस्कार, माय नेम इज श्वेता बासु प्रसाद एंड यू आर वाचिंग टॉकिंग स्टेज विद आदि ओनली ऑन फिल्मी बीट.
Filmy Beat presents the talking stage with us, Adi. The song that I've been dying on, and the personality I've been dying to meet, of course, in the talking stage of Filmy Beat, the one and only podcast where we always been talking stage, and it has no end, I guess, है ना?
Okay.
I'm Adi, welcoming to Filmy Beat, I guess. What to say? Oops, अब क्या होगा? यहाँ पर is a thing. Shweta Basu Prasad, welcoming. How are you?
Hi Adi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
How gorgeous you look.
I sometimes say that. Sometimes no. In me, I get Kareena, Kiran, Karan Johar, and Farah at the same time. So I behave like that way.
That's an interesting combination.
What all combination do you have in your personality?
Me, I have a couple of my own combinations
Yeah.
of my own personalities only. So I am the actor, the daughter, the
Yeah.
friend, the music student who plays the sitar, the one who
Ooh.
cooks.
Oh, very
Yeah,
nice.
multiple. Yeah, like new people when they meet me, they're like, अभी तो कोई और बात कर रहा था, अब ये कौन है? Do you also go through
Yeah,
that?
too much I get this. But so difficult, no? I guess in this era of where we see a lot of content on digital platforms, be it, you know, any OTT or Instagram for whatever matter, we become one, है ना? हम कोई character भी देखते हैं तो उसमें ढल जाते हैं. We talk
जी.
like that only. So how you know important it is to feel yourself first, and then you know can carry the other characters of life.
I think it's most important to be yourself. I think it's most important to 100% be honest to yourself, because no matter how honest or transparent or not transparent you are to people around you, to the world, I think खुद से तो झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. I think one should be 100% authentic. And then of course, you know, you have role models, you have characters and stories, and art or artists and performances that can influence you, that can teach you something, it can inspire you. But I think it should never lose the core person that you are.
सबसे बकवास सवाल है, एक सवाल जो आप सुन के बोर हो चुके हैं. Please tell me that about the media.
About the media?
Yeah, any question that you like hi too much they ask every
Aisa,
time.
no, not really. I've not.
I hate that one question whenever we start in an interview. We're like, how are you?
But that's politeness, no? That is courtesy.
Actually,
I don't think that'll be bakwas. I think that's very sweet. I think it's nice to ask
Any
people how
boring
they
question
are.
that you've been asked too many times?
One question that I've been asked too many times. I think usually तो ये होता है ना कि आपके शो का एक्सपीरियंस या शूट का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था. But I think that's right also. I mean, you want to know about the experience, so it's okay.
So how was your experience with Oops अब क्या?
You know, Oops Ab Kya has a lovely set of actors, veterans like Apra Mehta and Sonali Kulkarni,
Yes.
Javed Jafri, and as an actor, it's always wonderful when you're working with actors who जिनके साथ आप कुछ सीख सकते हैं, not just from the art form to also develop your skill sets, but also as people, they're so wonderful. So it was really nice, and you know the show obviously is very topical. It has few really serious issues, but the approach is very comical. So it's very important that actors have that timing and that camaraderie that जैसे हम कहते हैं scene बन जाए. तो that was quite amazing.
Makdi to this Shweta has learned a lot from the industry, of course. But I just still lie on that song. Come on, I've been listening to this only the time I got to know that.
I got into the office of Filmy Beat,
Yes.
and the first thing Adi goes is,
Ungli pakad ke angutha bada ke. I'm really doing that. Whole time Alexa plays that song.
so sweet, thank you.
Do you yourself listen to that song or not?
No, I do sometimes, of course, but mostly my friends, they make me hear it.
And you are irritated with that.
No, not at all. Never irritated. I love every bit of Makdi.
Yeah.
But मेरे friends मुझे like, you know, there'll be a party going on and
Yeah.
the DJ is playing songs and suddenly they'll play Oh Papad Wale. So I'm like, I know what you did there.
Any memory from Makdi you wanna share? Like which was like, of course you were a kid.
Yeah.
Tab bhi.
No, lots of memories. I think because I had such a wonderful time working on Makdi with Vishal ji, with Gulzar
Yeah.
Saab, with Shabana ji. It's such a blessing to have a start of a career with
Yes.
with these
Legends.
wonderful legends. Yeah. But I turned 11 on that set, and I remember there was a birthday party, and they had gotten all my favorite food and music, and I think I had such a good experience on Makdi's set, which was a lot of pampering, but a lot of also they treated me like an equal, like not as an adult, as
Yeah.
an equal, but still pampered like a child. And the experiences were so rich, you know, in terms of performances, the discussions or the conversations, that whatever little that I could
Yeah,
hear
yeah.
and imbibe. I think it's really keeps me going even now, because my core memory of my first acting job was so good. If that was not good, I don't think I would be so interested in movies today. So I think I really have to thank Makdi and the team that they created such a beautiful memory for me being on a film set and enjoying my work so much that even today I look forward to all my projects.
Can you tell anything about the dance sequence that you did for the song, of course, Oh Papadwala? Because it is very unique and very, you know, very childish. Ki, ha. You know, we can
Yeah.
just, I guess, not even you as a child artist that time. We sometimes, I'm 22 now, I'm doing the same. Come on. So you have that. कैसे?
We had done rehearsals. हमने rehearsals किए थे. यहाँ पर जुहू में एक हॉल है, सत्यम हॉल, वहाँ पर बहुत सारे डांस rehearsals होते हैं और काफ़ी टाइम से होते हैं. So we had done dance rehearsals there, and then on set we had done a lot of rehearsals, and बहुत कुछ नया सीखा थे. You know, there's a nagra, and you know, there's a beat, and then the music starts, and filming a song for the first time. So a lot of new experiences, but they're pretty fresh on my mind. अभी बोलते बोलते बहुत कुछ याद आ गया. Nice.
That's true. So, any oops moment, because of course we all go through that in our life. I had it कल ही कुछ तो भी. I was.
You tell me your oops moment.
Today also I'll tell you on camera. I'll share you. I saw this shirt.
Which is very nice, by the way.
Yeah,
Really
so I
like
can
it.
reverse it also. So majorly it's ulti for now, and I came in an auto today. So somehow it got something यहाँ पे उसके ऊपर कुछ लग गया, and I was doing my makeup in the washroom. Like, hey, what is this? Then I saw कि ठीक है मैं उल्टा डाल सकता हूँ इसको.
Oops.
So very oops in the morning only.
Oops अब क्या, and then you did क्या करना है उसके
Yeah.
साथ. Not bad. That's a really nice oops moment.
That too accepting on camera. Oh my god.
My oops moment, I think I've been sharing it a lot on lately because of oops ka promotion only. But there was this time I was shooting, and you know, assistant directors जो direction team में होते हैं, they send you call times. So it usually goes to my management team, but sometimes when we're shooting, they also send it also to the artist's phone number. तो
Yeah.
मुझे भी भेजा था. तो I think अगले दिन सुबह 7 या 8 बजे का कॉल टाइम था, तो रात को 9-10 बजे के आसपास आया था. And usually I send a thumbs up. तो मैंने thumbs up की जगह किस emoji भेज दिया था. And then for the next few days, the AD was very smiley and sweet with me, and I'm like, मैंने ऐसा तो कुछ बोला नहीं, मैंने तो कुछ किया नहीं. Why is he feeling led on? And then I went through the chat, and I'm like, oh God. I was like, brother, it was a typo. I didn't mean to send you that. Oops. अब क्या?
My another oops moment happened recently also. I was supposed to come from Delhi, मेरी फ्लाइट्स बुक्स थी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, सब कुछ हो चुका था. मैं जाके मस्त डिजी यात्रा पे स्कैन करवा रहा हूँ अपना फेस. हाँ 3 बार आई डिड. बाल चश्मा हटा के बाल चेक करके. समटाइम्स यू नो इट हैपेंस. And it is showing me flight not found, flight not found. And I went to the counter and I'm like, what has happened? Where is the flight? So I'm fighting with the girl at the counter. What is this? I have a shoot. What are you doing? You know, all that drama I did. And she's बिचारी also sorry sir, sorry. I'm checking. तब उसका सीन आता है. They saw my ticket and they're like, sir रात को जा चुके 2:15 पे flight. It's afternoon now. You are late. I'm like, oh, what to do now?
Yeah, flights have 24 hours
Yeah,
numbers. You must have
yeah.
seen 2:15,
Yeah.
but
So that
it should have
happened
been 14:15.
So it was, oh
Oh,
my
shit.
god, that was very oops. अब क्या? Then I booked another flight, so I knew what to do.
Yeah.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है आप पार्टी में गई हैं और गिर गई हैं?
कभी मैं पार्टी में गई हूँ और गिर गई हूँ.
बहुत होता होगा ना, हील्स वील्स की वजह से मे बी.
नहीं, गिरी तो नहीं हूँ.
बची हूँ.
और हाँ, बची ज़रूर हूँ. I must have like संभालोड myself, but गिरी तो नहीं हूँ अभी तक तो नहीं.
What this project means to you, because of course you've taken your time to come and you are choosing projects very wisely now, है ना? People have been saying that कि अभी Shweta is thinking what to do, and I always say that after a time or a while actor needs to see what they are supposed to do, because then they shape them कि we want to look like a certain way. कि अब हमारा आर्ट का जो होगा सिनेमा का ये होगा. हमारे ऑफिस में बहुत खांसी है. Oops moments.
No, I think I've always been very particular about the projects that I choose because for me, whatever scripts or characters that come my way, I look at it as an audience first and not as an actor, because if I don't want to watch it, I don't want to waste my audience's time to watch it. And you know, they have to subscribe. You know, I'm promoting and I'm saying that please watch it. So I don't want to be dishonest with the audience. So my first of course, incentive to do any project is, will I want to watch it and invest my own time and money into this? So that's how I pick projects. And yes, I love movies. I think my art is bigger than me, and that's why my association with teams, projects, stories is always with that energy, with that love, because I watch movies, Indian and international, a lot, and I try to, at least from my end, do the projects that I want to do, जो मुझे लगता है थोड़े अलग हैं, कुछ इंस्पायर करेंगे, या कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे कुछ हैं जो होप लाएंगे. आई थिंक वी नीड होप एंड इंस्पिरेशन सो मच इन सोसाइटी, एंड आई थिंक cinema as an art form is such a great medium to show that. So even with Oops Ab Kya, although it's Jane the Virgin's remake, it's a very fitting concept for the Indian society, because it does speak about premarital sex,
Yes.
and pregnancy and virginity, which has been unfortunately a conversation for far too long, and no matter how progressive we are, we still do talk about it. Also, the male characters that are written in the show are really nice, because क्या होता है कि कई बार if the female characters are very strong, the men are villainized, or they are in their grayish, they are usually grey. But it's not like that. The men in the show are really vulnerable. They're very supportive, and because that's what it is, no? क्योंकि I think society आपको वैसे accept करते हैं जैसे आपके आसपास के लोग आपको accept करते हैं. If your family and your people stand by you, then society is very reflective of that. So I think that's what happens with Ruhi as well. You know, when she comes out and she says that she has this insemination and she has conceived, you know, she's pregnant, but not with a man-woman contact, but because of a medical error, which is of course fiction, and you know, it's shown in a very comical way in the show. It's how people around her react to it, her family, the male characters. तो मुझे वो characters बहुत अच्छे लगे, क्योंकि हमारे आसपास भी कोई black and white नहीं है, everyone's grey. And I truly believe that everybody is an individual, you know, more than अच्छा ये औरत है तो सही होगा, ये आदमी है तो बुरा ही होगा, या of course not everybody thinks like that, and it's not a general statement, of course, but that's what happens a lot in some discussions, and I'm happy that our show is not doing that.
And how do you define love?
How do I find what?
Love.
Love.
What is the definition and understanding?
Oh wow, I think love can be anything. Love is loving your career, your friends, your family, people around you, your life. I think love is anything that makes you breathe easy. It should make you feel at peace. Yeah.
Because a lot of pregnancy talks, you know, in the show.
Yeah.
What is your take on that? What kind of a mother you want to be? If you are okay to and comfortable to talk about.
Yeah, sure. Of course, I am. I would love to adopt. Yeah, at some point, I would love to adopt, and I hope I can. I think I need to be financially and emotionally secure to do that. And if I happen to have my own family biologically, great. Even then, I would like to have a partner who's comfortable with me adopting. For us to adopt, but I think it's a bridge that I'll cross when I have to cross. But definitely, I would love to do that because there are so many children who need home and who need
Any
nurturing.
preference, like you want to adopt a boy or a girl, like aisa?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. As I said, for me it's an individual. It's never a gender. Yeah.
Where heart goes, no?
Absolutely, where the heart goes.
Hmm.
But I'm really happy that this project really tackles
Yes.
with these issues and in a light way. Although it's not said it in a comical way, but उसका approach light रखा गया है ताकि लोग उसे absorb भी lightly करें और शायद जहन में ज़्यादा रहेगा वो. But it's amazing because, you know, I mean, if you look at our own ancient temples which have been hundreds and thousands of years old, whether you go to Konark or you go to so many temples, even मध्य प्रदेश के कितने सारे temples हैं जहाँ पर desire and sexuality were actually expressed in the form of art and sculptures.
Yes.
So I think it's very normal and natural and a part of life. And yeah, I'm just happy that the show, in a subtle way, sort of encourages that dialogue.
Which series, which show did you watch the last?
What show did I watch last? I'm watching Severance right now on Apple TV. उसके पहले मैं Mad Men देख रही थी Netflix पे, and I loved Black Warrant on Netflix.
No, Disney Hotstar. It's now on Jio.
It's now Jio Hotstar. Yes, Jio Hotstar. I think the last show that I watched was Chef.
Chef, you watched?
Yeah, I really like that.
I guess we also have the moods, no? What kind of content we want to watch. Sometimes we are like very romantic kind of, you know.
Yeah,
feel.
are you romantic?
I'm very much that kind of a guy. But I take weeks. Like एक हफ्ता पूरा romance देखूंगा मैं, अगले हफ्ते पूरा co-drama, अगले हफ्ते पूरा action and comic.
अच्छा.
It's like that. What's up with you? No love? Only watching this?
No, I watch everything. I love watching romantic films also. I love watching drama or anything that that excites me. Either the log line or the synopsis, or if I've seen the trailer, or it's recommended from a very from a friend whose taste I look
I
up
doubt
to.
my friends' taste always.
No, I don't doubt
उन्हें
my
बोला
friends.
I'm like I'm not gonna watch. I recommend.
Oh, that's nice. No, I really go by recommendations a lot because sometimes it's also good to know what people like. I would love to take your recommendation and you have to tell me what to watch next, okay? So I watch all kinds of things. I love watching documentaries and short films, anthologies, movies, series. I like watching a lot of. मैं बीच में एक वो देख रही थी how to make pencils in a factory. So I like to watch that also कि ऐसे pencils
Yeah,
बनते हैं.
ना we get such.
And how to make jam. So I watch these. ये YouTube पे मैं ये सब भी देखती हूँ.
And that's my sleeping,
Acha.
pills and guilty pleasures in the night. 2 a.m. I do all this. I go to Ranveer Brass channels and I open recipes and watch it and I feel sleepy. So that's my way of sleeping. I really do that. There are so many people जो अभी तो nowadays shorts का ज़माना, तो मैं वहाँ पे जाके shorts पे क्लिक करता हूँ, सारे खाने वाले आते हैं.
हाँ मेरे भी.
तो वो कुछ बना रहे होते हैं. I keep watching and I do nothing about it next day. I wake up, I eat my diet का things and I'm like, why I'm watching that? So do you like see and then cook?
I do actually. I'm very fond of cooking. And a lot of my recipes actually come from my mom. But then अगर मुझे कुछ खास बनाना होता है तो फिर मैं online जाती हूँ और सीखती हूँ और फिर बनाती हूँ. And 9 out of 10 times I actually make it quite right.
Recently, I don't know why मेरी feed में आया cockroach भगाने के नुस्खे.
क्या भगाने के?
Cockroaches भगाने के नुस्खे.
Okay.
And I saw that for whatever reasons, I don't know.
That's okay. Yeah, man. Whatever floats your boat, do it.
But do you feel that we've been very attached to our phone now? Oops, अब क्या?
Not me. I'm actually quite attached to my phone. In fact, कई बार होता है मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ या फैमिली के साथ डिनर पे या फिल्म देखने जाती हूँ तो मैं अपना फ़ोन घर पे छोड़ के जाती हूँ. and I never have social media on my phone. Only when my team tells me I have to post something or यार मुझे बहुत मन करता है
Personally,
कुछ
yeah.
post करने का, so I download it and I post it and then I delete apps. So I'm actually very detached from my phone. बहुत बार मेरी मैनेजर्स का और PR मेरे टीम का फ़ोन आता है कि कहाँ हो, क्या हो रहा है, फ़ोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे हो, मुझे याद ही नहीं फ़ोन कहाँ पर होता है घर पे. So I'm actually quite detached from screen time that way.
Are you also like very non-tech girl? Because I am one.
I'm quite non-tech actually.
I don't know how to order foods from these applications.
No, that I know how to do that, but
Because-
then I'm not dependent on technology a lot.
I don't know how to book airline tickets.
नहीं, ये सब तो आना चाहिए. That's why you miss flights.
Because I asked somebody else to book it, and I'm like, what have you done to my
See,
flight?
that's why you miss flights. See, that you should know. So basics तो मुझे आते हैं, but then I know everything. I can do everything. I'm just not attached to it.
What are you attached to then?
Nothing. Breathing, oxygen. Need based only.
कब किया आपने आखिरी बार खुलकर डांस?
कब क्या मैंने आखिरी बार खुल के डांस? कल परसों. मैं डांस तो बहुत करती हूँ, लाइक फ्रेंड्स
घर
के
पे
साथ घर पे. हाँ, अकेले डांस मैं बहुत करती हूँ.
Are you that kind of a girl जो सुबह उठकर 1 घंटा किसी से बात नहीं करती? Say yes.
1 घंटा नहीं, but then yeah, I don't
For a
go for
while.
my phone. Yeah. I like doing my Surya Namaskar, my yoga, I practice my sitar, I do my pranayam. I
I
chant.
don't even talk to people also. 1 घंटा?
नहीं, बात अगर जरूरत होती है तो मैं बात करती हूँ, अगर जरूरत पड़े तो. But otherwise I like
नहीं, of course कोई
my.
मर जाएगा तो मैं बोलूंगा ना कि oh very bad. It's like that. अब somebody is like सुबह बकवास कर रहा है तो I will not reply.
No, I don't touch my phone, but then I like listening to the birds. I like watching my squirrels, and as I said, I like to practice my sitar or do my yoga,
Yeah.
which takes about 40-45 minutes, 1 hour anyway.
पार्टी वाली तो आप नहीं है. You don't do party.
नहीं, मैं हूँ. ऐसी दिखती हूँ.
सती सावित्री.
नहीं, सती सावित्री. नहीं. Party, I love
जावित्री.
party. No, I'm Sati Savitri.
पूजा बनी पू.
I'm Poo Savitri, not Sati Savitri.
पू बनी पूजा.
Poo Bani Pooja. No, I love parties and I host a lot of parties at home. But I don't think I need to.
What kind of a DJ you are then?
What kind of a DJ I am depends on the vibe.
I can never go on English Ghana and Angrezi songs at all.
Oh, really?
I always want Bollywood to be there.
No, I listen to a lot of Bollywood, but I also listen to a lot of Desi folk songs. I listen to a lot of
Yeah,
Western
yeah.
classical, Indian classical music a lot. I listen to a lot of Western pop as well. So कोई एक टाइप के गाने नहीं है. मुझे गज़लें बहुत पसंद हैं. मैं जगजीत सिंह, गुलाम अली के गाने भी बहुत सुनती हूँ. और मैं मरून 5 भी सुनती हूँ, किशोर कुमार और हनी सिंह भी सुनती हूँ. I listen to everything.
अब कोई रट्टे लगे हुए हनी सिंह की रैप्स के?
रट्टे नहीं लगे हुए, लेकिन मुझे सुनना पसंद है.
Oh my God, really? When we were kids, I am one, but still हम तो रट्टे लगाते होते थे.
अरे वाह.
Whenever they used to play, अभी I went to this club अभी 2-3 दिन. I'm not supposed to tell this on camera.
Of course you are.
हाँ, my boss is like, where were you? You were the singing, you were somewhere else. So I went to a club and वहाँ पे I was too bored. बहुत ही बोर हो गया.
बॉलीवुड के गाने नहीं बज रहे थे.
हाँ, वो बकवास टेक्नो वेक्नो चला रहा था. You love techno?
No.
Glad.
But it's still no. It's not like that. It's not about loving techno, but it's a music form. There are people who love it.
ठीक है ना?
उन्हें बुरा लग जाएगा ना.
नहीं तो फिर उनको क्या, मैं सबको
हाँ, ये भी बात सही है. आपको बकवास लगता है, आपको बकवास.
मेरे को तो लगता है भाई. People call me journalist to Kangana Ranaut, by the way.
अच्छा.
Yeah. And I told this to Kangana, she's like, you really are. Thank God you've been nice to me. Like, I had to be nice to you, otherwise we both have been grilling to each other. So it's like that. तो भाई बहुत बोर हुआ. फिर जैसे उसने हनी सिंह चलाया और उसने चलाया एक आइटम नंबर, फिर जो मेरे अंदर की निकली तवाया बाहर, फिर मैंने नहीं छोड़ा फ्लोर. It's like that.
Very nice.
कब बोर हो जाती हैं आप?
कब बोर हो जाती हूँ मैं?
ऐसे सवाल आपसे किसी ने कभी पूछे नहीं ना और कैमरा.
नहीं, it's nice. I like surprises. I like new questions. Depends यार, वैसा कोई specific वो नहीं है. But yeah.
मेजरली तो व्हेन हमारे मतलब की बात ना हो तब.
नहीं, ऐसा भी नहीं है. अगर मेरे मतलब की ना हो तो कुछ नया सीखने को मिलेगा. तो that's not a
Very
problem.
gracious.
Yeah.
When you have a off by chance, जो कि हमें कभी मिलता नहीं, लेकिन कभी हो गलती से, how do you like to spend your day?
Actually,
What time do you wake up?
I'm an early riser. I wake up around 6-7 in the morning.
Sunday and छुट्टी के दिन भी?
देखिए हम एक्टर्स हैं और हमारा सैटरडे संडे मंडे नहीं होता, हम या तो काम कर रहे होते नहीं कर रहे होते, सो आवर्स इज ओनली संडे एंड मंडे. So it doesn't matter which day of the week it is, and we do get a lot of off in between. Or I like to spend my day, as I said, my routine is the same. मैं उठ के I go for a run or I do my yoga, pranayam, my om chanting, playing my sitar. अगर बहुत मन करे तो मैं खाना बनाती हूँ. I love cooking. Spend time with family, friends, watch something, read. I love to read. Or
And what's your morning routine? Like, what do you eat?
What do I eat? I really like overnight oats.
Okay.
Or I like to make some nice eggs with
No poha, no paratha, nothing like that, no?
paratha. I'm not a big fan of in the morning, but poha I like. Poha मैं कभी कभी खाती हूँ. Yeah.
You make that yourself sometimes, if you feel like.
Sometimes if I feel like.
Otherwise, you order your didi. Please, no, help me.
No, I don't order her, but yeah, वो बना देती है.
I and Didi fights a lot. We have a good relationship. Do you also have the same kind of relations?
No, I hardly talk to her because वो आती है, वो अपना बनाती है, और अगर मुझे कुछ मन करता है तो मैं बता देती हूँ.
Specific. Otherwise, no. No chance में पे. अच्छा, you know that girl, no, who loves Kalesh?
Sorry.
You have people who calls you for love advices and all that.
Love, life, career, all kinds of advices.
And
Yeah.
what all love advices you give them?
Uh,
What is your love advice to people? Like,
what
let's say
is-
that way.
Love advice is same यार. I think if it brings you peace, अगर आप if you're
हाँ.
breathing easy, if you wake up happy and if you go to bed peacefully, I think that is love, no? And that could be आपके काम
But we
से.
can't make understand this to our friends, no? They don't wanna love them, the people, and then get themselves destroyed.
हाँ तो रहने दो. What to do?
एक बार दो बार we can make them understand.
I mean, as a friend, of course, you should stand by your friends and you should tell them. I also tell my friends, and but I think we all have our own journeys now. So it's okay. But I think if I have, since your question was to give an advice, it would be whatever brings you peace.
What's your way of moving on from people when you get betrayed? Not in relationship particular, maybe in friendships also. I guess that's basic. Of
In
people.
life in general,
Yeah.
I just move on. I'm very detached as a person. मतलब वो रात से दिन होता है and it's out of my system.
ठीक.
मैं लोड नहीं लेती ज़्यादा.
Day person you're not. You are a.
I'm a day person.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but I also like nights. मतलब कई बार होता है कि
Long
थोड़ा late
drives
night
and
हो
all
जाता है. I
that.
love long drives.
Such romantic stuff.
You are such a serious romantic.
I am the known for it.
Ooh.
Aren't you? It's not bad.
I know it's not bad, and I am. Sure, I am.
We love to go with your partner if given a chance. रात है खुली आपके पास, एक कार है, आप कहाँ जाना चाहेंगे? What kind of dating you want to plan in life? चलो.
Oh wow. Well, actually, the kind of date I would like is something that he would plan. So
I'll just follow. No interest you have in putting people. कि भाई
no,
मेरे
I
लिए-
do have interest. See, if I have to take someone out, I would take them out stargazing.
Okay.
Yeah, like I would love to go stargazing with someone. But yeah, that's my idea of spending time together.
What was the most romantic thing that somebody did for you?
I'd like to keep that to myself.
That was stargazing. She just mentioned.
No, I would like to go stargazing. अभी तक किया नहीं है.
अच्छा, अकेले तो किया होगा.
अकेले किया है, दोस्तों के साथ किया है, फैमिली के साथ किया है, किसी के साथ नहीं किया. So I would like to do that.
But tell me how is.
किसी ने मेरे लिए क्या किया, that I'd like to keep to myself.
But is it very peaceful stargazing?
Yeah, it is.
Like how? What do we do?
Stargazing.
ऐसे बस देखते रहो. It's very boring.
It's boring. Oh shit.
No, मतलब कि I've never done it. Maybe I
Try
should.
it, yeah.
I'll become that guy from which film? कुछ होता है who counts the stars. Are you one?
No, I don't count stars. It's just nice to stargaze. And watch the constellations move. It's quite interesting.
सब कुछ हमने कवर कर ही लिया है अब तो. I'm also on this spot. Oops, सब क्या? So plugging in again. I'm wishing a lot of luck to you.
Thank you,
and I
Adi.
hope it will do wonderful. The show is releasing tomorrow. Interview शायद उस समय तक आ चुका होगा तो आप ऑलरेडी जाके देख लीजिएगा.
Yes, Oops Up Kya is out there on Jio Hotstar. Please watch it with your friends, your family, and do give us the feedback. आपको कैसा लगा? And आपके response on the trailer and the teaser has been so nice, and I hope all of you enjoy the show as well.
And you can watch it while stargazing with your partner. Have laptop with you next to, है ना? It's a good fun, no? Why not to plug in?
Yeah, और अगर कुछ miss हो गया तो फिर oops.
अब क्या?
अब क्या?
Don't miss. Just, I didn't say anything. Bye. Thank you so much.